Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a fun summer card. So I've used my silhouette machine to make this card today. And if you're not quite sure what that is, it's an electronic die cutting machine. So you use SVG files, and I've used a Whitlock file today. So what I've done here, I've gone ahead and die cut all the pieces that I need from that SVG file, and then to add some colour I'm using some Distress Oxide ink and my blender brush. This is for the Tiki Huts. So I've die cut mostly everything out on brown card, and then also the stuff I'm going to be colouring is on white card. So you can use different colours of card that you like to die cut your bits out, but I just used white card. I find it easier because then I can just add the colours that I like. Sometimes I don't have that particular colour cardstock, but I have a load of markers or inks that I can colour up my pieces with. So I'm just going ahead and adding all the pieces that I need and using my Copics to colour them in. And if you don't have Copics, you can use your inks. You could use watercolours, lots of different ways to add colour to plain white card. And then, as this is a 3D project box card, I've used PVA glue to adhere everything together. So that's from the sides of the box when I start putting that together, and also the pieces that I'm adhering on top that you can see on screen. Everything is PVA glue. So I'm just going ahead and finishing up my panels. There's two panels inside the actual box card. So you have the one with the leaf and the bird, and then the palm tree and the sun. And I'm just going ahead and using my marker because that's a little door with two windows, which I thought was really sweet. So to start with, on the box card, I do the outside first. So this is the piece I'm doing now. Just giving them sides a good pinch to make sure that that PVA glue is nice and secure. I'm going to wait a couple of seconds for that to dry, and then I'm going to be adding my other panels. So you can see they all have sides which you then press into the inside of the box card to make this 3D. And again, PVA glue every time because it makes it so strong and secure. You don't need to worry about it falling to pieces. So now I'm just adding the roofs, and these are so cute. I love how they've come together, especially with the blended ink. I think it just gives it a little bit more dimension. So there's one for the front of the cards and then one also for the back. And then I'm also going to be adding a couple of stamped images. You can of course leave the card as it is, but I always like to add some extra images, and then I also like to add my greetings too. So the stamps I'm going to be using today is La La Land Crafts, and this is the Beach is Calling clear stamp set. And what's not to love about this stamp set? These pigs are just adorable. I love them. They're one of my favourite stamp sets. So I'm going ahead, I'm using my Memento Tuxedo Black ink, my acrylic block, and then I've got some Copic friendly card, and I'm going to go ahead and just quickly do some Copic colouring. So now my images are coloured in. I'm going to go ahead and do my greetings. So I've got some black card. I'm going to be doing some heat embossing and using that same stamp set. I've got the greetings, summer vibes and sun, sea, you and me. Got some white embossing powder, just sprinkling that over the top, and then I'm heat setting this with my heat gun. And then I have my paper trimmer, just going to trim this down. And then to secure this to my box card, I'm going to be using acetate. So I've gone ahead and cut down a small strip of acetate, and then I've got my double-sided tape which I apply onto my acetate, and then I pop my greeting over the top. And then depending on where I'm going to put this on my 3D card, I either apply the double-sided tape to the front of the acetate or to the back, so it does depend where I'm going to pop this. So on this one it goes on the front because that's going behind where that tiki hut is, and then I'm doing exactly the same with my other greeting. And then I'm going to apply my two pig images. So I'm not using 3D foam pads for this because it has a load of dimension to it already. I'm just using my double-sided tape and applying that just to the sides of the pigs. And that finishes up our 3D box card today. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so ready for summer, and this just reminded me so much of summer. And if you like the video, let me know, and I'd also love to have you join me by subscribing if you enjoyed the video. So thank you so much for watching. Take care. See you soon. Bye.